Well, hello guys. Yep, back in the store. Yep, Halloween stuff out along with summer. Yep, right next to it. Spring, fall, everything all out here together. Oh, all kinds of fall stuff, even game stuff already, football game stuff. Boy, hurry, guys. I really hate that they put all this stuff out so early. I mean, I am not even close to being in this kind of holiday mood. I don't know about you. But, what kind of mood I am in? To save a little money. And I know you are too. That's why you're here. So, do me a favor, like and share the video while you're here. And leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of deals you're looking for this week, so we can make some, because the ad is a little bit sparse, so we're going to be making the best deals that we can with what we got. So, leave me a comment. Let me know what you are looking for. And, of course, let the video play all the way to the end, please, including those ads. It's so important. YouTube is watching. Please share it to your Facebook news feed with a simple note that says, please pass on, because, well, it'll save your friends money, and they're going to love you for it. So thank you guys for doing all those things for me. And if I missed anything, well, y'all heard it enough, you know. Alright guys, we're back here where I need to be, and we're looking at Snuggle deal, because we got urns, and we got lots of urns, and we got some coupons, and we can make a couple of really good detergent deals, even without a 5 off of 25 to go with it, okay? Or anything else for that matter. Alrighty, $1.25 coming off of your liquid Snuggle is going to make that $2.50 by itself, okay? That's the regular savings coupon. $2 earns are still going on with this Snuggle. Okay? Take advantage of this while we can. While we're getting these earns, we have to take advantage of these things right here. Okay? And then we've got some dryer sheets. And all the dryer sheets here are pretty much cleared out. Maybe there's some on the end cap. We have 50 cents on this $2 Snuggle, which is going to make that $1.50. That's pretty cool, I think. $1.50 for this Snuggle. Okay. And let's go see if we can find some of the bigger boxes of Snuggle, because we have dollar earns on the 70 count, and they are also $3.75. So let's go see if we can find one of those. Okay, they do not have any of the bigger boxes of the fabric softeners, but if you look on your app, you'll see that you have several earns for the fabric softener sheets. But what we have in the buggy right now, we have got $3.75 times 3, and we've got $5.25 coming off. At $11.25 with $5 coming off, it's going to leave you $6.25 out of pocket for these 3 items, and that's a winner chicken dinner deal. Okay, and your $4 that you're getting back, you can use to spend on anything you want, including another laundry deal. Okay, so this is $11.25, guys. You're going to get $5. You're going to get $1.25 off, and then you're going to get $4 in earns back. Now this is your next deal, because we've got $2 off coupons on Arm & Hammer stuff. Arm & Hammer right here. Arm and Hammer deal. These are $5. This is $10. This is $6. You're at $16. You're going to be getting $6 off. So you'll be paying $10 out of pocket for all 3 of these items. Yes, winner, chicken dinner. Okay? So in between the Snuggle deal and this deal, you'll be spending $16 out of pocket any day of the week. And of course, if you combine them together on Saturday, you'll get an additional $5 off. Alright, we got one more daily deal. Oh, it's down here. Let's go have a look. Here we go, guys. You have got a $2 off on the 585 Dawn, a $2 off on don't have them here, they're on the end cap, the Dawn Power Wash. Okay, you've got a $2 off on the Power Wash and a $2 off on the Dawn Super Suds. I don't think it is working on this one. I will try it. I'll scan and see if it's working on any of these, but I think it is just working on the Super Suds. So if that's the case, it will be $10.85 and $4 will be coming off. So $6.85 for a Dawn Power Spray and a Dawn Super Suds. Yes, it is only for the Dawn Platinum Power Suds. Okay, now, and of course we've got Scott deal, and we got $1 off on the Scott and the instant savings. Okay, and so you know the $1 off also works on the 350. So if you don't need a whole bunch of Scott, you just need a little bit of toilet paper, this is going to be $2.50. But if you do need a full-on Scott deal, okay, it's $1 off on the toilet paper, and your Scott paper towels are on sale for $4.50. So keep that in mind, that your paper towels are on sale. Okay, here's your Dawn Power Wash. For some reason, it is on the end cap. Okay, now, alrighty guys, let's see. Alright, before we leave the store, we had to come and see this. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Rice Krispie Treats. Okay? This is a hidden deal. So buy 2, get 1 free for the Rice Krispie Treats. That's $6.70 for 3, and a regular 2 for 6. So this is an awesome deal by itself. You also have your Pop-Tart doubles on sale for $3.50 a box. Okay, so you don't have to buy 2 to get them for $3.50. You can just buy 1. So, yeah. And then, of course, we've got the Chewy granola bars. And we do have the chocolate chip ones still on sale for $1.34 a box until the 19th. Holy moly, guys, I can't believe my eyes. Are these Christmas items? I think they're Christmas items. Oh, or at least, at the very least, they are winter items. Oh my goodness. Got some little measuring for $1. Little measuring spoons, all Christmas colors. For $1, mini tongs. Yeah, guys. Okay. We are headed out the store. My phone's going dead. So we're headed out the store, guys. On our way, we'll kind of have a look and see what kind of items we got. Well, they still have their 50% off sign over here. So maybe these items are still 50% off. They are purple clover. Look at all the little containers. Yep. Alright, guys. We are headed out the door. And I'll see you again next video. Blessings.